Hello children, this is class 3 English workbook. Today we will see unseen comprehension test 2. Children, first we will know about unseen comprehension. Children, unseen comprehension are those paragraph and passage that we have not read or seen before. The purpose of comprehension is to check the ability of student to understand the passage. Children, here first we should know few tips on how to do comprehension. First, read the passage carefully to understand the overall idea. Second, read again a little slowly to know that details. Third, study the questions thoroughly and concentrate on the text and think about it. Fourth, if you find any difficult word in passage, you can take help from dictionary and understand the meaning of the word. Now let's start this comprehension. This comprehension is based on a letter. Now I am reading this letter for you. Understand it nicely. Then give the answer to the questions. Children, here you see whom the letter is written and on which day. Dear Sir or Madam, I wish to complain about your buses and the service you provide. I was a passenger on one of your buses traveling from Indore to Bhopal a week ago. The bus left Indore 40 minutes late. No reason for the delay was given to the waiting passengers. We had to wait in the rain because your bus shelter had holes in the roof. When I did board the bus, there was another gentleman sitting in my seat. The gentleman said the conductor had told him to sit in that seat. It was my seat 14A. I am sure the gentleman was not Mr. Ratan. I am Mr. Ratan. Your conductor was wrong to give him my seat. When I complained, he was very rude. He told me to sit at the back of the bus or to get off. Okay children, I read the first part of this letter for you. Now you have to answer some questions related to first part of this letter by your thinking and understanding. Now let's see which question you have to solve. Question A. On which day did Mr. Ratan travel on the bus? Question B. How and when was the conductor rude to Mr. Ratan? Question C. When and why did Mr. Ratan get wet? I hope you will practice and solve the questions from this passage. Tomorrow we will come rest part of the comprehension with new questions. That's all for today. Bye bye.